Okay, so one of the things that you're absolutely going to notice immediately when you come into this aircraft, and I'm going to show you the outside later, but we're going to focus just on the inside, is the level of craftsmanship that you see in here. Just by looking in here, you'll notice that there's aniline, real aniline Italian leather. This leather that has been sourced for this aircraft is the exact same source in sourcing that you would see from Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, etc., Rolls-Royce. And the way that you could tell is that when you're looking at aniline leather, aniline means that it's not the same as, let's say, what you see in a run-of-the-mill vehicle. In a Ford, in a Dodge, even in a Lexus. You know, they typically do not have aniline leather. Aniline means that it is tanned, but the tanning process that is inside of a vehicle is a lot different than what you'll see inside of this airplane. And what you do see, this leather here is susceptible to body oils, moisture, and it could be compared to just a raw exposed leather. Yes, it has color, yes, it's been tanned, but it's more something that you would see in fine leather. And it's not what's called chromium tan leather. Chromium tan leather is what you see typically inside of vehicles, regular vehicles, not exotics, not luxury, but regular vehicles. Ford had a King Ranch back in the early 2000s that had an aniline leather in it. Some of you may remember that. It was very, very finicky to try to take care of. But with this aircraft, this has that type of leather, but this is a very, very unique aircraft. Remember, the Italians made this aircraft, and they made it very, very special. They did not mess around with shortcutting any type of level of craftsmanship whatsoever. And you can see that. The grommets, the combination of the gold accented seat belts, the clips, and also the buttons, it has that Italian feel. The things that you'll notice is that it's got this nice little hanger here, little stopper. Gonna hold on to that. Stuff smells amazing. There's good stuff. Using here. Airplane has a little age on it, but it's aged very, very nicely. And if you really want to know, this here is brass. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's go to the inside. So one of the things that you immediately notice in here is that this has this Italian leather. And yes, it's very, very pretty, but you do not want to use typical detailing products on this type of leather. The main reason is because it doesn't do anything for it. If you put a regular detailing product on here, you have to be very, very careful because you can actually wind up clogging the pores of this leather and actually doing more harm than good. So you have to be very, very careful and very, very mindful. When this leather starts having this grain, and when you start seeing these wrinkles in here, as you can see, this is characteristic of real aniline leather. Now, if I put water on here, which I will not, if you were to put water on here, it would soak into the leather. But the easiest way that you can see if it's leather or vinyl in any type of vehicle or aircraft is simply doing the pressure test. If you do this and you see wrinkles, it's it's leather. But if you push in on this and it looks like rubber and you just push it in on rubber, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about if you do the test, you can tell it's vinyl. So, but this is clearly leather. It wrinkles, it has wrinkles. It's just pretty dry. So got to take care of that during this cleaning process. So we got to clean it, then we got to condition it. One of the things that you'll notice here is that in the back of these headrests, you'll see this thing that pops up here. Now, what it does, I have no idea. What I'm assuming is that when these seats, when you lean them back, it prevents your head from touching someone else's head. That's what I'm imagining, but I'm not sure. Maybe someone can leave a comment and explain what that's for, because after 3 years of working on this aircraft, still haven't really figured it out. Just wrapped up for the evening, and I'm not going to show you the after on this plane. It looks pretty good so far. So tomorrow we're going to do a final inspection on it and then be pretty much finished with it. This Avanti II looks absolutely amazing, looks absolutely beautiful. As you can see, the surfaces, the reflections, everything looks absolutely exquisite. And the paint surfaces, the metal surfaces were refined, all with EXQUISITEMAD's proprietary polishes, and then topped off with our in-house manufactured and produced and developed wax. So all of our products that we use, all of our workflows, everything is 100% proprietary, designed, developed, and implemented all in-house. If you are interested in inquiring about full range of our aviation detailing services, surface refinement and preservation and stewardship services, please visit our website. It is at EXQUISITEMAD.com. If you're interested in moving forward with scheduling, please visit us online at our contact form. You can send us a message on there, or you can email us at info@exquisitemad.com, or give us a call toll free, 1-800-292-2341. There's a lot to unpack, a lot of different services that we offer. We provide services worldwide, internationally, at our client's location, on site. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. And if you're interested in other types of videos and other work that we do, definitely explore it. Click on our playlist and you can see a lot of different categories there. Just take your time, explore. I'm sure you'll find something that you'll enjoy. See you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.